Hi all, in this session we will discuss the difference between the quick selection tool and magic wand tool. Both quick selection tool and magic wand tool are used for selection of an area which uses the property of color. The main difference is the quick selection tool makes selection based on the similarity in color and texture, and it acts more like a brush. So you can click and drag a particular area, and using the magic wand tool you can select a similarly colored area using just one click. So we will see the application of the two tools. So here we will see the difference between the two tools, the quick selection and magic wand tool. So I have opened an image here. So I am going to make use of quick selection tool here. See, we can select a particular area and we can increase the area of selection just by clicking and dragging it across the range of colors. So if you want to select the entire area, you can just click and drag and complete the selection. Okay. So again I am going to do a selection. If I want to stop in between, I can just release the mouse. So if you think you have a area which you don't want to select, then you can use this minus or subtract button and you can just deselect a particular area. So using quick selection tool you can just select an area like using a brush. The magic wand tool depends upon the color range. It will select only the similar colors. For example, if we click, it will select only a similar pattern of color. So you can understand there is a difference between the selection pattern. Magic wand tool is very helpful when we have a similar range of colors which needs to be selected. For example, I am going to open another image and using the color picker tool I am just giving a color. Then we will create a rectangle and give this rectangle a different color. And I am going to flatten that image. Right here we have a single image with two different colors. So there are no color difference in the particular areas. So we will see the working pattern of magic wand tool. If you select this particular area, it will get selected as a wall part because there is no difference in the range of colors in this particular selection area. So if you want to delete that particular color, then you can just press delete key and delete that color. Here also you can select the entire black area just using single click. So that's the very purpose of magic wand tool. So magic wand tool helps us to select an entire area. If we have a similarly colored area, then it will work better. Otherwise you can go for the quick selection tool. It's a more powerful tool which helps us to select an area just like using a brush. You can keep on adding an area or you can remove the selection area using the sub options. That's all regarding the difference between quick selection tool and magic wand tool. Thank you.